Hindi na ako matatakot mag-isa. At least may kasama na ako. Okay, are there any more loot here? My god, I'm so short of ammo. What is that? Oh, it's from Ada. Where is it? Wow. What do you mean there's an ambush waiting for me? You guys better drop some more ammo. Oh god. Oh no! It's gonna come off. Whoa! First aid spray? Okay, I needed that. Alright, hold on. There's an area here that I forgot to explore. Hopefully there's wala nang mga balakid. Wala nang mga kalaban dito. I don't know why I have to save every time I come across that typewriter. Wala lang, feel ko lang. Just to make sure, ganun. Okay, should be somewhere here. Wait. Okay, there definitely was someone there, but I didn't expect it to be the merchant. I thought it was an enemy, just waiting to ambush us. But that's another sigh of relief that you're here.
Welcome.
I just wish that you were selling some more ammo.
What are you buying?
Tactical vest. Uy, John, huy ka rin. Kumusta ka? Anong bago? Okay.
What are you buying? Is that all, stranger? Thank you.
Ayan, nabili ko na rin yung tactical vest. Nice. Okay, I'm not so sure if I'm supposed to be getting here. Tama ba to? Tama po ba to, ma'am? Where even is this? Oh, ngayon ko lang nabili. Ang mahal.
This is Leon. Request backup. I repeat, request backup.
Walang sumasagot. Simula na ulit sa pagtap-tap. Ay, go lang. Do what you always do. If you want it. Wala lang. Take it. I should have said it before. Bagong gun? Ito yung pinakabago kong gun. Killer 7. Although I'm not so sure if this uses these magnum ammo or just the handgun ammo. I feel like it uses the the magnum ammo instead of the handgun one. These are rare. I was told at least that these are rare. And I should be saving them for bosses. May accent. Ganun po talaga kapag laking ano. Charot! Wala lang. Ikaw ba naman, halos 3 years kausap mo mga kano eh. Ma-adapt mo talaga yung ano nila. And I don't know, nadagdag din yung ano, yung fact na diba, YouTube, mostly mga Western creators yung napapanood ko, ganun. So that's probably why. Yeah, I should be saving them for bosses because they don't come by all the time. Hey Jam, I can't contact my people. Alright, so time to get back, I guess. Zesty. Yes. It has to be. The zestiness is required. Ganun po yun. So, dun talaga kami pupunta. Sa basurahan. Sa waste disposal. Yeah, it has to be. Yes. Like, I mean, yeah. Yeah, really. Okay. Dito bumalik yung, ano eh, alaala kong nightmare. Yung kinalaban ko dito yung nangingisay na matangkad. Diyos ko. Naloka ako kanina. Pagliko kong ganun, andyan na, hampasin na si Leon. Oh, gigil ako. Buti hindi ako tumili dito, ang daming tulog na. Natapos ko naman na siya. And I'm so proud of myself for facing my fear. You know, like, I mean, yeah. Ganun po yarn. Parang fish. But shoot up ang may crossbow. Uy. Ashley, takbo! Ayan na! Teka lang, Ashley, ha? Ay, putik! Hindi ko alam kung anong uunahin ko, eh. Okay, shotgunin lang natin. Okay, it ran out. My God, I'm so bad at aiming. Wait, where did that one came from? Salisihan mo kami, ah. Why am I missing my shot so much? It's a fucking squid head. Yan, name ka. Alright, time to go. Time to go. Ay, gaga. Nalak. Ay, putik. Kulit nyo ah. Hop! Wala tinamaan. Ay, meron pala. Lang. $1K. O nga no. Sipag mo naman dyan. In a short amount of time. Baka may naka-auto-clicker ka ha. Not... Hindi. Ay.
Looks like this is it.
Ugh, it stinks.
Sure does.
Naku, wala kang choice, Inday.
No way, Leon.
Way.
Are you out of your mind?
Ay, gagi. Ano yung katabi niya?
You... What is this?
Ew!
Let's go.
Gaga. Wala, yun na! Di.
What is that thing?
Sige, dyan ka muna. Shit! Saan mo? Revolver? I don't think I need to. Oh, shit. My God. That is such a nightmare. Teka, tabi pa ni Ashley? Hindi talaga PG-13. Pang mature talaga eh, no? Ako hindi ko naman nalaro, pero napanood ko dati sa ano, sa, alam mo yung hulog piso na PlayStation. Ganon. Diyos ko. Tulong, Inday. Ayan. Left 4 Dead, pati Counter Strike. Wala, don't tell me there's another one. Oh shit, where is it? Girly Pop! Where are you supposed to hide? Sige, balik tayo, balik tayo. Heart! Oh no! Yun, ayan na. It's still alive! What the fuck? Where? Wala, baka sa likod. Do I have to... Ha! You missed. Too bad I don't have a flashbang. Oh no! Ayun nga, sa likod. Oh. Wala! I am freaking cornered. Tank it. Wait, nasaan na yun? Oh shit. Oh my god, nandiyan na agad siya. Paano ba to? Okay. Gamitin natin yung tangke. Finally! Yes! Oo nga. Tinamaan yung weak spot niya sa likod. Naloka ako doon. Wait, hold on. I appreciate that. Pak na yun. Oo nga eh. Diyos ko, yun talaga eh. Sa lahat ng kalaban dito, yun talaga yung pinakakatakutan ko. My God. I hate that. It freaking mentally scarred me as a kid. Pabuti ng 2K. Ay, go lang. Teka, ano meron dito? Ay, parang incinerator to ah.
Look, there's a gate here.
Oh! Galing, napansin mo yung gate. Ay, gaga! May pasabog, te! Ashley, saan ka na pupunta niyan? Wait, ang dami niyo! Ah, putik na yan. Do I really have to use this? Ah! No. Oh wow. It's too strong. Shit. I wasted my bullets. Fuck. Bakit puro pera? Hold on, let me take off this scope. Teka, natataranta ako dito. Wait lang. Shit, I forgot that I... Wait, Ashley. handgun, nakaka-stress, wala akong bala. Okay na yan. Pahinga ka na muna dyan. Mampash niya. Oo nga eh.
Look, there's a gate here.
Na-stress ako dito eh. Shoot ah. Ang lalapit nila. Ashley, takbo! Wow! Armored! Isa-isa lang. Lahat mababaril. Ay, putik! Meron sa gilid!
You pervert.
Shoot ka. May ganyan-ganyan ka pa nalalaman. Binubugbog na tayo dito, Inday. Uy! Sige. My God, they're going around. Oh, fuck! That was close. Oh, that's easier. Wait! Ashley! Takbo dito! Ah, puta! Pati ako dinadala niya. Teka, baka matamaan si Ashley. Ay! Wag mong... Yan, Yoko. Potek. Nako, pag nainis ako, gamitin ko tong shot ay ano, rocket launcher. Sama ko pa si Ashley dyan eh. Nainis kay Ashley. Pero sa bukan. May itsura nun, no? Gagi. Kaya nga, tama na nga ang pagiging salbahin natin kay, ano, kay Ashley. Sa rocket launcher. Isang beses lang yun. Ito si Ashley na lang. Isa pa, Inday. Sige, babantay tayo dito. Pwede pala yun. Ba yan? Hindi nyo pa talaga na... Hindi pa. As in. Ewan ko nga kung para saan to eh. Anong... Saang boss ba siya pwedeng gawin? Ay, putik. Saan na? Tara na. Huwag na natin sagupain yan. Wait. Saan ako dadaan nito? Ako, isa itong masamang pangitain. Wala akong bala na naman. At parang may naririnig akong bumubulong. Ay, dyan. Sabi na eh. Buti hindi siya yung may tinik-tinik. madali lang siya. Operate ko ba to? Oo nga eh. Ay! Wait. Why do I kind of remember this? Ay, iba pala to. Oh my god! Oo, may ganitong area kanina na pinuntahan ako. Yung hinahabol ako nung nagiging invisible. Yung parang may scorpion tail. Pero iba naman yun, nasa sewers naman yun. Okay.
Leave it to me, Leon.
Okay, bilisan mo. Kinakabahan ako dito. Nice! Uy, Ate Juru! Welcome back! Ayan, follow mo yan si, sa Ate Juru. Streamers din yan. Nag-Genshin. Ganon. Nakaya ko, te. Kinaya ko dahil wala akong choice. Pinilit. Pero grabe yung ano. Uy, wow. Pero grabe yung kaba ko kanina sa ano. Nung una kong nakita eh. Ginump-scare pa nga ako eh.
Welcome.
Kaloka.
Got a selection of what are you buying?
Pero ngayon medyo kinda carry na. Ganon. Hindi na masyadong kabado.
What are you buying?
I don't know.
Come back anytime.
Ba yan? Walang bago? There are levers on both sides of the door.
Wait.
Ganun ba yun? Ha? Paano to? Oh! Okay, ganun lang pala. It's that easy. Wala. Hindi ko gusto yung pag-flicker ng mga ilaw, ha? Ah! Wait, yung ano to? Yung truck.
Leave it to me, Leon.
Yan, galingan mo mag-drive, ha? Ba't ang bagal nito? Bilisan mo naman, Inday. Napaka ano yun, napaka... Sama na ugali ko kaya nung aking ash. Oo, te. Bakit nandun sa lapad? Putik! Yan! Ang daming ammo! No? Subukan nyo. Ay! O, diba? Tinantanan nila ako. Ano na yan? Tanga na taranta ko. Ayan, nagamit ko na yung rocket launcher. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko dun eh. Nasabugan ko. Gagi. Hala! Hindi pa sapat yun. Puta. Laulo to ah. Hala. Paano to? Shoot ah. Ano ba yan? Potek na yan. Teka lang naman, nagre-reload ako. Bawal nga eh, wala nga, hindi siya nagbebenta ng ammo eh. Ah! La! Yun na pala yung ano, bumubusina. Oh shit! Potek na yan. Yan ang yan. Matay si Ashley. Natamaan ba ng baril ko? Shotgun pala yun, no? Okay. Ay, gagi! Bakit ginamit ko kay Leon? Mali. Sayang tuloy. Wala kayo ha. Ay, what? Papa. Wala, nakahampas pa yun. O, diba? Isang peraso. Ah! Shota, ayan na. Uy! Nakaligtas din. Oh my God. Salamat sa Killer 7. Shota. My goodness. So, ayan. Natapos na rin yung buisit na truck na yan. Hayop yan. Kanina pa yan. Walang kamatayang truck.
Welcome. selection of what are you buying?
At dahil dyan, kailangan na ulit natin bumili nito. Ayan.
What are you selling?
Nga pala, no, nag-iipon pala ako dun sa sa exclusive na yun.
Is that all?
Ano na pagbibili ko.
Come back every time.
Ay. Tara na nga. Ay. Okay, let's go. Ay,
I can feel them growing ever so strongly inside you. Sadler!
ay nakakontrol niya yung
You
virus.
can resist, but you cannot disobey. Now, come to me, Ashley.
Wala. Naging vampira si Inday. Ano ba naman yan? Nakuha na naman siya. Diyos ko.
It's already begun.